Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a host stamp set called The Greatest Part of Christmas. You will find information about this stamp set on page 61 of the holiday catalog. I know that these stamp sets are kind of hard to get, but I couldn't resist with this lovely sentiment. So I have a piece of Pretty Peacock card, and it is a top folding card. And I have cut off about 2/3 of the card, and I am gluing some brightly gleaming designer series paper. Now, I do lead you through the process of cutting this up on my blog. If you wanted to check back there, sunstampin.com, and you'll be able to see exactly the measurements and that sort of thing. But basically, you slice about 1 7/8 off, and then those two you kind of split up. You choose one. I chose the 1 7/8 inch. And then this one is a little bit of a skinnier one. So I am just, you won't notice that it's a little skinnier. That's all. And then with dimensionals, I have placed this particular piece of card onto my other two, and then my inside of my card, I haven't glued that down yet in case I screw up, and then my new Night of Navy, which is, I call it the new black actually. It's working nicely as a neutral. So I've glued that piece on the inside of the card, and now you can see the sentiment perfectly fine from the outside. And I have the 1/2 inch classic weave ribbon in very vanilla and copper. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.